What's up, everybody? You're here with the Fly Guy. Today I'm going to be tying the Lil Dynamite wet fly. I've caught carp, panfish, trout, and bass on this fly. This is a great little pattern that you can throw in a variety of different situations and it'll catch fish. Grab the tying recipe for this pattern at tfgflies.com. I have that linked in the description for you. All right, let's get into it. And that's the Lil Dynamite. It's a simple pattern. You only need a couple materials and you can vary the colors to match whatever type of color scheme you're looking to produce that the fish respond to. Carp, trout, bass, and panfish love it, and I hope you have as good a success with it as I have. Fishing footage for this pattern is coming soon. If you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more fly fishing and fly tying videos. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.